So now we're going to work with fractions with denominators of 10 or 100. So we know that our math system is made up of base of 10, okay? So we know that you need 10 ones to equal 1 10. You need 10 tens to equal 100. You need 10 100s in order to equal 1,000. So when we're working with tens and hundreds, first of all, with fractions, you know that the denominator tells you how many pieces you have in all. Your numerator is telling you how many you ate or how many you took or how many's left, depending on what the question is asking you. So here it's telling us, we're going to call this our sandwich. Our sandwich is divided into 10 equal parts. And you ate 2 of those parts, okay? So we know that in order to get 2 tens, I've had to eat, so this is what I've eaten. So this is 2 tenths. Now, if my question said, how many do I have left over? You would count the pieces I did not shade in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you could say, I have 8 tenths left. Now, to see how these are equal, so 2 tenths is equal to 20 100ths. Like I said before, you need 10 ones in order to equal 1 10. So if I would have just put 2 here, and I cut my sandwich into 100 pieces, I've only eaten 2 little bitty pieces. So if I put just 2 100s, that is not the same as saying 2 tenths. But what is equivalent is 20, and let me show you how. How many ones do I need in order to equal 110? 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10, but I need it to be 20 because I need it to be equal. So I need to do 2 sticks. 1, 2, 3, or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now these shapes look equal. So this is 2 out of 10, and this is 20 out of 10, okay? You could count this by 10, 20, instead of counting them by ones, because you know that you need 10 ones in order to equal 110. But you could have also went through and shaded each one. Now, I freehand drew this, and this is how, if you needed to, you could freehand draw it yourself as well. You can also use notebook paper to draw your boxes if you needed to be more clean and more precise.